Hello dear student, welcome you all to the art education class. This video is going to be your first art education class video of this session. Since you are very new to the school, so I will appraise you about these art education classes. This is a very integral part of holistic education, where you understand, where school understands that along with your scholastic education, this post-scholastic education is very important. It creates a person with 360-degree personalities. So in order to encourage, in order to inculcate this wholesome aspect of everything into each one of you, so this is a system that school is providing you along with these scholastic subjects, this post-scholastic subject. So this is equally important. Anyway, so this is the very first time we are meeting each other, though we are meeting virtually. I know that few of you are my previous student and some are totally new. So the moment you are admitted, you have taken admission to our school, the Delhi Public School, Bokaro State City, you all are my students. And since this is a class 11, so we are merging the entire students in a single platform. So I will be considering that you all are a beginner. So accordingly, we will start our lesson. First of all, let me tell you, I will be taking your dance classes. Normally, we do take different forms of dance, but specifically, I take care of only a single form, that is Kathak. And now, during this virtual learning, it will be very digitally taught to you, so it will be easier for you to learn Kathak. So, let's switch over to Kathak. Kathak is a word, it's a representative word of a person of a state, that is northern India, from Uttar Pradesh. Kathak means Katha kahe so Kathak. Kathak is a dance form who reflects a person who tells story. So he himself called Kathak, and that person, let me tell you what Kathak and how does it evolve in a very brief way. Very briefly, let me tell you this thing. Kathak is a person, as I have told you, who tells story. In the need of time, while take it from the back history, from the years back, the people used to this Katha is been told only into this mandir. People used to tell about the mythological stories to the villagers, from one village to another village, from that village to another village. This way they used to roam around and they used to deliver the stories of morals, stories of mythology, and the stories used to educate the people. Maybe that time they were not having a proper education system, but this was a system to teach the people. And this way, this Kathik or this Kathakar used to be very famous from one village to another village. And the day passed by. After this, Mughal came. During this Mughal period, as you know the history, it was been of some emperor, somewhere it has been supported, somewhere it has been destructed. So being distracted about this of destruction of mandir and all, this culture of this Kathak had been destroyed, and they had been separated, and they had been rushed to various cities, various villages, and wherever they were there under the shelter of any of the king or emperor, they have been supported according to their wish. So the form and the style had been changed according to the demand of the emperor or the king. So thus, various gharanas have been created, like Jaipur Gharana, Lucknow Gharana, and Banaras Gharana. So there are very three famous gharana of Kathak dance are known to all of us. So this was very small history about Kathak, and the form you are watching right now. It's a heritage that we are carrying forward, and it's a very polished form of dance. Right now you are learning, and right now you are watching. So this is the basic ritual that whenever we start dancing, be it Kathak, be it Bharatanatyam or any dance, we consider it's a education. So we have some rituals to follow, such as in dance, whenever we start dancing, we start with Bhumi Pranam. Bhumi, the place, you must have that gratitude that you are on this earth, and you should pay gratitude to the person who has brought you onto this earth, and you have to pay gratitude to the Guru who is bringing into this field to make you more polished and more connected to the all kind of well-being. Guru and your parents, both of you will be thinking of you that how to nurture you in a protected way, so that this humanity goes one hand to another hand. So thus, this is a basic ritual to pay gratitude wherever you are standing, whom you do belong, to everybody. Started with this gratitude, you will be starting your lesson. So let's start with Bhumi Pranam. This is called Utpatti. From here, it generates everything. So this posture and this position is called Utpatti. Samapada will be standing and to pay everything and everybody, each and everything you are learning, since each and every particle you can take, you should consider as Guru. So to everybody, to the devotee whom you respect, whom you address, and all God, Goddess, and the Bhumi, touch your forehead and unpe samarpit dhyan, my humble pranam to everybody. So this is your Bhumi Pranam. So I am showing you once again. So that was your Bhumi Pranam. So whenever you will be starting your dance or at the end, you must do Pranam. Or you must do this Pranam, you should take as a gratitude. Now, the very basic and the very first thing of Kathak is Tatkal. And in Kathak, along with Katha, the various gesture of various aspect of body movement, footwork, it's all combined, combination of everything. A person telling story or expressing his or her thought. So, in order to practice this specific art form, very first step it starts with Tatkal. Tatkal. Tat, the sound, and kar mean work, footwork, कार्य. So तत्काल जब नर्तक अपने पैरों पे घुंघरू बांधकर जमीन पे आघात के द्वारा छंदमय ध्वनि उत्पन्न करते हैं, उस छंदमय ध्वनि उत्पन्न करने की क्रिया को तत्काल कहते हैं. So how it goes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. और तत्काल के मूल शब्द है ता थै. ता थै. और बहुत खूबसूरत एक एक्सप्लेनेशन है that I would like to share with you. It's been told by Pandit Birju Maharaj, one of my guru. ता थै. पूरे तन से थल, थ से स्थल पे खड़े होके ईश्वर की आराधना करना. When you are doing this tatkal and you are connecting with the God with you, this is such kind of pious work. This dance, music, it's directly you can connect to the God. So पूरे तन से ता से ता से ता थ ई, तन से पूरे तन से थल में स्थल थ से थल में खड़े होके ईश्वर की आराधना कर इसको ही तत्काल कहते हैं. It's a beautiful explanation from a maestro. So that I wanted to share with you. So it goes like this way: ta, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai, thai, ta. You might have noticed that I have started with ta, thai, thai, ta, and whenever left leg has come, I have uttered ah. So just for the kids or to know, to distinguish, ta is for the right leg and ah is for left leg. So that it's been told ah. Ah being always left. Ta, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta. And this tatkar, because this entire dance, when gradually you will be learning, you will come to know this tatkar is so important. Because everything is based on this tatkar, and the speed and the flexibility of this footwork, that as much as you have done practice, it's totally depending on this footwork. So it goes in various speed also. Let me show you. Ta, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, double, ta, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, chawun, ta, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta, ah, thai, thai, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti. So this is called Krama Laya Tatka. Laya means speed. Laya means along with the time, how do you create your speed? That is your laya. So here you have seen single, double, chawun. That means I have multiplied the speed with that base speed that I have taken from the very inception, and I have multiplied with 2, and then next I have multiplied with 4. That means under one beat I have multiplied with 2. So the result I have got, that is double speed. And under one single beat I have multiplied with 4. So as a result you have seen it was so speed, it was faster, that was chawun. And after that I have ended up with a tihai. So what tihai is? Tihai is a stipulated fixed combination of numbers or bowl you say, and that is to be, same thing has to be repeated thrice. So altogether that content would be called tihai. Tihai. A same piece has to be repeated thrice. So that content would be called tihai. So let me tell you the tihai once again. Ta, the, the, ta, a, the, ta. As I told you, ta, the, ta, a, the, ta. Right, left, right. Ta, the, ta, a, the, ta. Right, left, right. Ta, the, ta, a, the, ta. Right, left, right. So this is a one part. This is one part, and that part has to be repeated twice more. So altogether this is thrice. So this Kramala Tatka has to end up with a or followed by a tihai, which is like this. Ta, ti, ti, ta, a, ti, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, a, ti, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, a, ti, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti. So this part has to repeat altogether thrice. So you have learned today Bhumi Pranam, Tatkar, basic Tatkar and Kramala Tatkar. Along with this Tatkar, First of all, I would like to teach you one more thing, one very important thing in Kathak, that is chakra, spins. So there are many kind of spins are there. It depends, the kind is depending on the steps have been taken from it. Like today, the very first chakra we will be learning out of 5 steps. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक के बाद एक पैर होता है, right, left, right, and hand would be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply open your hand like this, and one is like as if you concentrate here, as if you read a book this way, or you see yourself in a mirror. These two kind of aspect I can tell you. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you will look straight after taking a spin. Look straight and hand is going to open wide. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it goes in various speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it goes more higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the various speed I have shown of out of 5 steps chakra. That is Tigdha Diga Diga Thi. Tigdha Diga Diga Thi. And another one more hand I am showing you. Tigdha Tigdha Diga Diga Thi. Tigdha, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, this is, it goes sidewise. Tigdha Diga Diga Thi. Tigdha Diga Diga Thi. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. So, two kind of chakra with 5 steps. Tigdha Diga Thi. And another one is Tat Tat Thi. Tat Tat Thi. Hand is say the number count is of 3. Only 3 steps has to be taken in this chakra. Tat Tat Thi. Tat Tat Thi. Tat Tat Thi. Tat Tat Thi. So this is a chakra part. So these two things are very integral part of Kathak. One is Tatka and another one is Chakra. Because most of the bowls are created with a combination of footwork and Chakra, and one more thing also there, Hasta. That I will be teaching you in coming session. Hasta. A beautiful movements of hand movements. Beautiful hand movements. That is called Hasta. So today you have learned Tatkar and Chakra. Along with Tatkar also you have learned Kramalaya Tatkar followed by Tihai, and specification of Chakras also you have learned. Since you have joined little later on, so I might be giving you some more stuff to your lesson. You may have to practice little more, so that altogether you will be getting a more number of content to learn. So today I have thought of that I will be teaching you Guru Vandana also. And I think you all of you know the Guru Vandana Guru Stotra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. And now I thought of I will be teaching you something new, that is Guru Vandana. And all of you must be aware about Guru Vandana. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Vedana. So here it is, Guru Vandana. So that was your Guru Vandana, and along with this, as I have done, you can just carry on with me.
Guru Vishnu Guru Dev Guru Sakshat Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
This was your Guru Vandana. So today you have learned the basics of Kathak, a brief history about Kathak, Tatkar and Kramala Tatkar along with Tihai and Guru Vandana. And I hope the things are clear to you. And today, since it was your very first class and you have come to know about Kathak, the dance form, the basics of Kathak, Tatkar, Kramala Tatkar along with the Tihai. So I think this is enough for today. You please learn the thing properly. Do your study well. Keep yourself safe and healthy. Till then, bye.